welcome back to our channel.
Your channel.
Our channel.
I'm the vice president.
Guys, today we will be tasting, or Dan especially will be tasting Filipino snacks and drinks.
Who is this from?
This is from Castle Glen. Ano sila guys, supplier, distributor ng mga Filipino food dito sa Australia. So if you wanna know kung meron kayong Filipino food nearby, yung mga nagbebenta ng Filipino food, I will leave the website of Castle Glen below. All you have to do is i-enter nyo yung nyo guys, postcode nyo, and then it will tell you your nearest Filipino shop. Ganun. I actually did that last night, and I didn't know we have one close by, mas malapit pa kay Parafield, and malapit sa bahay ng mama niya. So we will visit the shop one time. So I will leave the link in the description box, the website, and the Facebook. So yeah, thank you so much Castle Glen for all these. Alright, let's get started. So where do you want to start?
I'm thirsty.
Oh, okay. Drinks agad-agad?
I never start with drinks. I need a drink to eat with.
Okay. This is the C2 apple green tea flavor. You have tried this before, so it's not like...
Yeah.
Or, I don't know, do you remember the taste?
I don't know. I reckon it will just taste like all the other apple juice.
Try it. It's not an apple juice, it's an apple green tea. You like it?
It's good.
Yeah.
Highly recommended.
It's not the same as the other iced tea, uy.
You like it?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah,
It's
I like
sweet.
it.
So we have mga ano dito, chips, chocolates, polvoron.
Should we start with the best one?
Sure.
I reckon this is gonna be pretty good. Mango chocolate.
This is from Cebu, I think.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah, it's a boo.
Ooh, Metro Cebu, Philippines.
Yeah. Oh, they look good. They look really good.
Nice. Okay. I'll eat the mango part. What do you think? Maganda to kasi nasisil siya. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's not bad.
What do you rate it? Let's rate the food.
Out of 5 or 10?
Out of 5.
3.
3 stars? Alright.
3 stars. Is this called I Love Cheese? That's the name of the chips?
Yeah, actually it's a combination of 3 chips. So it's like 3 chips in one
Yeah.
bag.
Nachos, flavors, and cheesies.
Yeah. Actually, I already have an open one, so don't open that.
You already opened it?
Yeah, I tried it when I did the whole.
Yeah.
So yeah. No, it's sealed. It's alright.
Ooh, I like this.
Do you?
Yeah, this looks
I
good.
love this. Sobra.
Yeah, this looks good.
Uy, taste one. Taste the clover chips. So this is like Cheetos. Wait, finish that first. Finished? Do you like that one? That's the cheesy.
That's right.
Yeah, I love this. Alam niyo naman ako on my chips. One by one, Bel. That's the nacho. This is good.
Yeah.
Actually, hindi na siya ganun ka. Ano, kasi... akin yan.
Save it. Do it warm. We've got heaps here.
I want that. I'm not eating everything. Wait, can I have my chips, please?
No, we've got heaps. No.
Bakit ka ganyan?
You're exactly right.
Okay, next.
Next.
You pick. Guys! Sarap nito, promise.
Banana fins.
Hindi ko alam kung readily available siya sa Pilipinas, pero guys, hanapin niyo to. Ang sarap, promise. Oh wait, babe, just open it properly. Yeah.
More dramatic. It's more dramatic.
I love this. I've tasted this already. Nung nag-haul ako, kinain ko siya agad-agad after ng haul. This is so good. We will bring this to the foodie. Uy, we will have your mom try this. Leslie's banana fins.
I saw.
The best banana fins I've tried.
That's a 3. The last one was a 3 as well. They're all big 3s.
No, this is 5 for me. This is really good. The other one for me is 4.
Alright.
Please be mindful guys ha, na yung nagtatry ng mga Filipino snacks, hindi siya Filipino. So hindi familiar sa kanya, or maybe familiar na by now. But you know, hindi niya kanilakihan yung mga ganitong so obviously hindi ito maging sobrang paborito niya, but this is really, really good.
What?
Bread pan!
Bread pan.
Okay, it's raining. Hello, grabe ka windy.
Hopefully Mum doesn't get to the footy too early and
What
stand
time
down
is
the
it
rain.
now? Oh no.
Oh. We'll bring umbrellas.
Oh my gosh.
Just in case.
Ponchos.
You wear a poncho. I sort of destroyed this one.
This is the Oishi bread
Oh.
pan. What? Why oh?
It smells alright.
Garlicky.
Yeah.
This is good as well. I like this.
That
You
is
like
good.
it?
Yeah.
Garlic. Yum! You ruined the packaging. How can I bring this to work now?
I'll put it in a little container, put it in a bag.
Yeah, sige. I like this. Yeah, I can bring this to work now.
Easy.
Yum. Yum. That's
Yeah.
yum. What's your rating?
3.
3. Puso sa'yo
I
yung
haven't
3
loved
na.
anything, but I haven't hated anything. So,
Okay.
it's all been good.
Alright. Next pick.
Eggnog cookies.
Oh. I don't think you've tried this before.
You or me?
Me?
Shut your eyes. Just trust it. Open your mouth.
Nah.
No, just do it. Just do it.
I don't trust you.
Just do it. No, shut your eyes. You shut your eyes.
Why do I have to shut my
No,
eyes?
because I don't want you to look at it. I want you to shut your eyes.
Okay.
Ready?
What are you doing?
No, I got it in my hand.
Just one. Just
Sorry,
one.
okay, shut your eyes.
I don't.
I don't want you to look at it. You ready? Open your mouth.
I don't trust you.
Open your mouth.
I'm not gonna shut my eyes. Yum. Oh, do you like it? This is so good. Oh my gosh, I can finish this.
It's alright.
5 out of 5.
3 out of 5. And it's probably more of a 2.5 than a 3.
Really? This is so good. Eggnog.
You like all the plain stuff. Sweet corn. I'm
Open
gonna,
it properly. Keep it. I don't like it.
it's hard to, you can't pull it, it's so tight. Ooh, smells good. Oops, there goes one.
Fail. I didn't even see.
That's alright.
Do you like it? Explain it. What does it taste like?
Sugar corn.
Parang dumidikit sa ngipin mo ba?
I think so.
It sticks to your teeth?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ah. Parang ito para sa akin naman to lahat. I love this.
Alright, another one you love. These are all your style food.
I know, that's what I said.
The plain, savoury thing, right?
That's not plain, that's really sweet, but it's really good. Huh? Yum.
These will be mine. I don't know if it's even worth opening these up. We all know what they taste like.
This will be mine. Oh, you do not know, you haven't tasted this. This is the Filipino version.
Oh, be the same.
No, it's not
Oh,
gonna be
let's
the
skip
same.
to this one then. Super sticks. Ooh. I'm free to do commercials for any food company. I'm really cheap. Really cheap.
Just give him chocolate.
I'm getting paid 0 for this.
Ay, wag kang ganyan.
0. Slave labor. For me.
Over.
We're not gonna eat them, we're just gonna smell them.
Why? Just pick one. The one in the plastic. Yeah. Careful, careful, babe. Actually, you already ruined this. He was too excited to try all these guys. Here, oh.
Alright, you can take one, I'll have one.
Babe, careful. They're very fragile.
You can have one?
Yeah. This is good. Stick-o. We call this stick-o. 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 La la la. Wake up.
They'll be gone by the weekend. Oh.
Sabado ngayon. Today is Saturday. Tomorrow is Sunday. So we only have like really a day left.
They'll be gone by Sunday night. 5. The first 5 of today. Sticko. Sticko, if you want to sponsor me, call me.
Over.
What part of the Philippines?
Bulacan. Marilao, Bulacan.
Yeah, that's right.
Say it.
Philippines. Made in the Philippines. We got 2 boxes.
The other one's assorted. The other one's chocolate coated.
But we'll go with the chocolate coated one.
Of course you will.
We'll try these ones.
This is from IHOP. Oh, hop lang pala. Ano IHOP? Hop lang pala.
What the hell are you talking about, IHOP?
House of Polvoron. Hop lang pala. IHOP.
IHOP.
Saan galing yung IHOP?
I know.
Ah.
Ooh. He's a bit.
Wait, no, I'm not trying it, so it's just.
These are little fancy things.
Yeah, it actually looks really nice.
It does. That looks really fancy.
Yeah. Okay.
Package inside a package, and last packaging as well. Quarterly packaging. This is gonna taste good. You would not spend all that money on packaging that tastes like sugar.
I'm gonna bring some for Kanika as well, huh?
Bring in the other ones. Bring in those ones. Kanika, you can have those. These are all mine.
You haven't even tasted it yet.
I like them.
Do you like it?
Mm.
Yeah.
Delicious. 5. No, 4.5. 4.5.
Hala! Huwag masyado chocolate, babe. Your diet mo. Your diet.
I don't think we should do these ones. They're gonna
Do it. I'm gonna eat it.
They're gonna taste like all the other chips we've had.
No, it's not gonna taste.
I want you to do this one then. You do this one. You open it. You gotta open it like that and I'll taste it. You do it. No. Open it like that. Open it like that and I'll taste it.
Why are you so big?
Just do
Why
it.
are you so difficult?
I'll taste it. But I'll prefer to be open that way.
I can't. Danny, come on.
Open it. Alright, you cheated.
That's fine. Looks like this. Okay.
Boring.
It doesn't taste like the other ones, I promise.
It tastes like prawn crackers from the Chinese shop.
No, it doesn't. This
Oh,
is
yeah.
way better.
Exactly like it.
No, it doesn't.
Exactly like it.
You know, this is like, what do you call that? That's fluffy. That one, sa yung mga ano.
You should have that one as well.
Oh, yeah.
But let's take that for another day. I'll take that to work. I'll take that to work.
You're not taking
It's
this
like a
to work.
lunchbox
Ano ka ba?
like kids take to school.
Yeah.
So this, I'll take it to work. We're not opening that one, but it's gonna be a 5. 5, we're not opening it.
I don't think that's like pure Filipino though. Kasi parang Meiji. Is that made in the Philippines? Australia man na?
Malaysia.
Ah, Malaysia, okay.
Manufactured, yeah.
So that's pretty common in the Philippines.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, no, it's made in Malaysia.
Oh my gosh, so yummy.
Alright, 2 more to go. Which one?
Up to you.
Oh, that's not gonna be any good. Breadsticks. Seriously.
Wait, taste it.
Another boring snack. They all taste like the same.
It doesn't know I open it and taste it. Don't judge it. Don't judge the book by its cover.
Is it made in the Philippines? Why has it got
It is.
Chinese writing, Arabic writing?
It is made in the Philippines because maybe they export it. See, product of the Philippines.
Yeah, man.
It's so good that they export it everywhere. Like, this is pretty plain. I know what it tastes like. It's good with coffee. See? So good. I think your mom will like this.
I don't know.
Oh, it's so negative. That's not nice.
1. No flavor. 0 flavor.
Wait, I love that, guys. Di ba
How can you
masarap
taste like
naman
that? It
to?
tastes like. It doesn't even taste like anything. Like cardboard.
Cardboard over!
Cardboard.
No!
Cardboard.
This is good. I love
You
this.
like cardboard? Cardboard. That's a shocker.
We have contadina.
Nah, we're not trying that because that's gonna be.
Pineapple juice.
We're gonna need that. We'll have that for dinner one night.
Okay.
I'll take that to work. It's my lunch this week. Dried green mangoes.
This is from Cebu.
It smells a bit funky. Yeah, it's from Cebu, you're correct. I'll give you a survey. Does this contain any vitamin A?
Yes.
None. Vitamin B?
No.
Vitamin C?
Yes.
You're correct. Any calcium?
No.
Iron?
No.
Any fat?
Yes.
Wrong.
No fat.
No fat.
That's good.
That's good. I need to eat more of these. Alright. I don't know if I'm gonna like these actually. These are a bit weird.
It's green mango. It's not that typical yellow ripe mango. But yeah, it's good. Yeah, right? I can smell the mango, babe.
It's okay. Not really my type of snacks. They're yours, Hubba, select.
That's mine. Hello! Cheese ring! We forgot cheese ring! You just
We don't have to
cheese
try.
ring away.
Don't have to try cheesery.
You've tried it before?
I've tried it before.
So good.
It is fantastic.
I love cheese ring.
I love it as well. It is awesome. It is awesome.
Liar, liar, fancy
It is.
pie.
It's like one of the best ones in the pack. A 6. It's a 6. 6. Alright. Cool. You got a lot of snacks for the week.
Yummy.
Are you gonna take some to footy, are you?
Yeah.
Oh, you might as well.
Oh, I'll bring this to foodie. I'll have your mom try this. This is so good. So, which one is your favorite one?
Oh.
Sticko, Sticko. I love Sticko. My favorite is this. Yung iba, paborito ko na yun, guys. Alam niyo naman ako on my chips. But this is yung bago na na-try ko na sobrang nagustuhan ko talaga. This is so good. Anywho, that is it for this video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like this video kung na-enjoy nyo. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be goodbye. Mwah.
Alright.